Look at some of their videos and you get the impression, or some would say, that this was a match made in heaven. In February this year, Sia Goel and Ketan Agarwal got engaged. Preparations began for a lavish wedding in Udaipur to be held in November. Ketan was the son of a prominent businessman in Pune. It was reported that a palace had been booked where the wedding would take place. Rupees 17 crore had been spent. Private planes had been hired to fly the guests in. This was reportedly an arranged marriage, or meant to be. Relatives from Ketan's side of the family had seen Sia Goel during a wedding in Goa. Back then, Sia was only 19 years old and therefore any talk of marriage was put off. But it resurfaced again a few months later. And according to reported statements from Sia's family, she agreed with the alliance when her consent was sought.
We are right now outside the Sia Goel house. Sia Goel used to live here, and over here on 18th June morning 8:30, Ketan Agarwal came to pick her up from this very destination where we are right now. Leela Kunj is the building name where Sia Goel and his family stays right now, but there is no one at home. This entire house is empty and no one is over here. But the major thing which happened on 18th June was that Ketan Agarwal, who stays nearby from here, came to pick Sia Agarwal because Sia Agarwal told Ketan Agarwal to go to Lohgarh Fort. She was continuously saying about to go to Lohgarh Fort, and this was the third time when there was attempt to murder Ketan Agarwal. From here they went to Lohgarh Fort and at 9:30 or 9:40 a.m. in the morning they reached Lohgarh Fort and they went up, and this entire situation happened between 9:50 to 10:30, and that was the period when this whole murder was executed by Chetan Chaudhary and Sia Goel. Right now they both are in police custody and they are thoroughly interrogated by the Pune Rural Police, and it will be very important to see how this case will shape now.
But as always in stories like this one that ended in tragedy, there was a twist. Around Diwali 2025, Sia had met Chetan Chaudhary at a party. They went on to become close friends. As per reports, it's being claimed that Sia and Chetan remained in constant touch, exchanged around 2004 calls, spanning around 238 hours speaking to each other. That's almost 10 days in terms of hours.
उसके हिसाब से फिर हमने बोला कोई बात नहीं, चलो बर्थडे है तो जाके आ जाएंगे. तो जैसे ही अभी पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन से पता चल रहा है, ये लड़का चेतन चौधरी टू व्हीलर गाड़ी जुपिटर से मार्केट यार्ड से वो लोहगढ़ वहां पहुंचा. उनके आगे 10-20 फुट आगे पीछे 10-20 फुट ही वो दिख रहा है चलता हुआ. एक साथ ही ऊपर गए, दोनों ने मिलके उसके ऊपर किसी चीज का वार करके उसको ऊपर से नीचे फेंक दिया, और वो उनका कोऑर्डिनेशन भी दिख रहा है. उसके बाद वो लड़का नीचे वहां से गायब हो गया. फिर इसने थोड़ा बहुत शोरगुल किया. हमें 10:45 को सिया के मम्मी का फोन आया कि केतन ऊपर से गिर गया फोर्ट से.
It so happened that on the 31st of May, Sia and Ketan visited Lohagarh Fort near Lonavala. It sits at an altitude of more than 1,000 feet above sea level and is quite the climb, and one stares down at lush green forests below. It is here it is being claimed that Sia first thought of killing Ketan Agarwal. But why kill? That is the question that will continue to be asked. If this was a matter of not wanting to marry someone, why take such a drastic action?
कानून में प्रेम संबंध अपराध नहीं है और ना ही विवाह के लिए असहमति जताना कोई आपराधिक कृत्य है, लेकिन किसी व्यक्ति को बीच में से हटाने के लिए कोई षड्यंत्र करना और उस षड्यंत्र के चलते उसकी हत्या कर देना, जिसे दुर्घटना बताना, वाकई में एक संगीन अपराध है। जैसा कि सार्वजनिक जानकारी में हमें आया कि केतन अग्रवाल पुणे में जो व्यवसायी थे, उनकी मंगेतर सिया गोयल ने लोहगढ़ के किले से फेंक करके उनकी हत्या कर दी। भारतीय कानून में किसी भी हत्या को देखने के लिए अपराधी की मानसिक अवस्था यानी मेंसरिया, प्रीमेडिटेशन और कॉन्स्पिरेसी यानी षड्यंत्र, तो जब अभियोजन को ये साबित करना होगा कि ये सिया अग्रवाल ने अपने प्रेमी के साथ मिलकर के इसकी साजिश रची थी, पूर्व नियोजित था और केतन अग्रवाल की हत्या के लिए बार बार प्रयास किए गए, उसके विश्वास का दुरुपयोग किया गया और कई प्रयासों के बाद में हत्या को अंजाम दिया। हालांकि इस मामले में सिया गोयल को फांसी की सजा होने के लिए रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर केस का होना बेहद आवश्यक है। ये कानून में उन्हीं मामलों में फांसी होती है जिस मामले में रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर माना जाता है। ऐसे में कम से कम आजीवन कारावास की सजा सिया गोयल और उसके प्रेमी जिसने इसमें सहयोग दिया होगा, वो दोनों इसमें शामिल हो सकते हैं।
Utkarsh ji is with us. Sir, from how many years do you know Sia Goel?
I know her for a while because been there with them. She used to keep me often meeting us some other way, some coffee shops or somewhere we used to meet up. But I didn't know this incident which has happened is very shocking for me. Right now, the police won't forgive for this kind of an act. But since I know her, she has a little aggression into her. But this aggression will go so far, I did not know this.
Have you ever heard the name Chetan Chaudhary?
I think so, yeah, I heard from her one or two times, but I didn't know this guy would be involved in such a big action and the death of this guy. And Mr. Agarwal family, I really apologize for the things which have happened, but definitely law is very strong and I believe in the law. She was a good person, but yes, the kind of things which she have done, no matter who is good or bad, under the law everybody is equal.
Have you seen Chetan with Sia?
I've been seen them in a coffee shop.
How many times have you seen them?
Two times I have seen them.
Which coffee shop you have seen over here?
There is a Third Way Coffee, there is a Starbucks nearby, we've been seeing them. And I had a lot of conversation, while going here and there, but we never got involved in conversation.
Thank you so much, sir. Speaking 2 times now. He was Utkarsh Londe, sir, and he is the neighbor and a common friend of Sia Goel.
There was another invitation to Lohagarh Fort a few days later, but this time it appears that Ketan's mother was against the idea. There was also a planned trip to Bali for a pre-wedding shoot, but as per allegations, Sia deliberately misplaced Ketan's passport, so that trip had to be cancelled. A CCTV footage has now gone viral, in which Sia and Chetan can be seen at a cafe around the 3rd week of June, and it is here that they allegedly plotted ways to kill Ketan Agarwal.
The death of Ketan Agrawal took a U-turn when it came into light that it was not an accident, it was an cold-blooded murder by her fiancé and her fiancé's lover. There was information which came into light that there was a planning which was done 2 days ago in a nearby cafe. We are outside that cafe. The cafe is known as the Third Wave Coffee Cafe, where this entire planning took place. On 17th of June, this entire planning was done. Chetan Chaudhary, the main accused, and Sia Goel, the main accused, reached at this cafe, and there was a meeting between these two people, and over here there was continuous conversation how to kill Ketan Agrawal, and this was the cafe where this entire planning took place. After that, there was the murder attempt was made for the third time, because first two attempt was failed, and that's why this third attempt was made, and the planning was made here at the Third Wave Coffee.
There was a failed attempt made to kill Ketan Agarwal at Lohagarh Fort, where according to claims, Sia tried to push him off a cliff, but Ketan managed to hold on to a bush. Sia would later claim that she had tried to prevent Ketan from being bit by a snake. But on the 18th of June, Ketan Agarwal would be killed. He and Sia went to Lohagarh Fort once again. Chetan followed them, and both would have a role in pushing Ketan off a cliff to his death. The death would later be described by Sia as accidental, but clearly that wasn't the case according to the police.
Few days ago, an accident case was registered in Pune, where there was a person who fell down from the cliff of Lohagarh Fort. We are at that fort only where this entire situation happened. But the deceased family accused that it was not an accident, it was an murder. After the thorough investigation, Pune Rural Police has filed a FIR at Lonavala Police Station, where it has came into light that it was a murder by Sia Goyal and his boyfriend Chetan Chaudhary. Chetan Chaudhary and Sia Goyal was in relationship from last November 2025. This was time where this entire case take a U-turn. I am at the Lohagarh Fort, and at that very point where this entire situation happened, Ketan Agarwal, the deceased, was with his fiancée at this spot only. If you can see, this is a very dangerous spot where they are standing, and they were not allowed to come over here. The normal people are not allowed to come at this spot because it's very much dangerous. There are security guards which has been placed by the government that no one can enter this very spot. We are having with us a security guard who will let us know that what exactly happened at that time. सर, क्या हुआ था वो थोड़ा हमें बताएं. यहाँ पे लोगों का आना वर्जित है, यहाँ पे लोग नहीं आ सकते.
यहाँ पे पब्लिक आती नहीं है.
हाँ.
और यहाँ पे आना वर्जित भी नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तक जितना हम ड्यूटी करें, यहाँ पे पब्लिक यहाँ पे बिल्कुल यहाँ पे नहीं आती है. कोई सी भी पब्लिक यहाँ पे नहीं आती है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिस्क जगह तो पब्लिक यहाँ पे आती नहीं है.
धीरज जी, आप उस दिन ड्यूटी पे थे जब ये पूरा मामला हुआ था?
जी, हम थे ड्यूटी पे. जी.
तो आपने देखा था कि कोई यहाँ पे आ रहा है, कोई कपल आया हो?
पब्लिक यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं थी. यहाँ पे
कोई भी नहीं थी. बट ये यहाँ पे ही हुआ है जो पूरा सिचुएशन हुआ था, पूरा जो धक्का मारा गया था, यहाँ से नीचे मारा गया था.
जी.
आपने पुलिस से कुछ बातचीत की थी, उसके बाद पुलिस ने आपसे कुछ बातचीत की थी, आपसे कोई बातचीत करने आया है अभी तक?
नहीं, पुलिस जो आई तो हमने बातचीत की थी, हम उसको जगह दिखा के हम उसको हमें दे दिए.
ठीक है. This was Dheeraj, a security guard at the Lohagarh Fort, and we are going to show you that exact place from where this entire murder has been taken place. Sia Goyal was the main accused in this entire murder, who has planned this entire murder. It has been also came in light that this murder was planned after the engagement of Sia and Ketan. This has been also came into light that Sia doesn't wanted to marry Ketan, and she wanted to spend his life with Chetan, and that's why this drastic step was taken. And this is the exact spot where we are standing, and this was the spot where Sia and Ketan was standing, and from the behind, Chetan came and he pushed Ketan into this very deep valley which we are right now. This was a very, very difficult situation, as Ketan's father is continuously speaking and telling that it was a murder which was very much planned by Sia and Chetan in this entire matter, there has been other situation which has been narrated by Ketan father in the FIR, that this situation, there were many phone call which was made by Chetan to Sia, and many time Ketan has said about it to their family and spoken about it. So now it will be very important to see how this case will go. Parents of Ketan are accusing the parents of Sia Goyal that they were also was in this entire plot of murder. They were also there in this entire plot of murder. But this is a matter of investigation, and now it will be very important to see how the investigation will take shape.
What prompted the police to look at the murder angle in this entire matter? Well, inconsistent witness statements on the part of Sia, CCTV footage, digital evidence, call records all pointed to something unusual and untoward. One such inconsistency happened to be the initial claim that Ketan slipped while both he and Sia were trying to take photos near the edge of the fort, as opposed to her later claiming that Ketan slipped while trying to hand Sia a water bottle near the edge. Crucially, even as Sia claimed that the couple had been trying to take photos, no such photo was there on Ketan's mobile phone. Now, a possible clincher was also the examination of CCTV footage from the fort that showed a man tailing this couple wearing a hoodie. This was Chetan Chaudhary. At one point in the sequence, it is said that Sia looked back at Chetan and even motioned to him with her hand.
How an accidental death report turned into a gruesome murder. This was found out by the Pune police after a few days ago. An accidental death report was filed where Ketan Agrawal fell from the cliff of Lohgarh Fort. After getting some of the clues in this entire matter, it was found out that it was not an accident, it was a gruesome murder done by the fiancé of Ketan Agrawal. We are at the spot where the first clue was found, and after this whole situation changed and it turned into a gruesome murder. We are at the spot where the first CCTV was found by the Pune police. This was the CCTV in which there was a person found in the images where he was wearing a hoodie, cap, and was trying to run from this stage only. It was Chetan Chaudhary, the lover of Sia Agrawal. In this CCTV, it was captured that when Sia and Ketan was at over here at the ticket counter, there was some issue buying the ticket, and at that time Chetan Agrawal came running from this very steps, and over here you can see he was standing, and over there at the ticket counter Sia and Ketan Agrawal both were standing. And from here Chetan Agrawal came running and stopped here. There were some gestures which was made here by the Chetan Agrawal, Chetan Chaudhary to Sia Goyal over here. So this entire case is very much gruesome murder, and now continuously Pune police is investigating into this matter very thoroughly. The arrest has been made, and till 29th of June both accused had been sent to the police custody.
Chetan spent 48 minutes at Lohgarh Fort as per reports, which is unusually low for someone visiting the area because it spans a vast distance that takes much longer to cover. The police subsequently detained Chetan for questioning. Both he and Sia were arrested, and the police have secured custody of both until the 29th of June. Investigations continue in the matter, and evidence continues to be collated.
The accused in this matter, Sia, has been brought to Lonawala police station. You can see over here she is there with the police officials. We will try to speak to her. Sia, आपने क्यों मारा? Sia, आपने क्यों मारा? शादी नहीं करनी थी तो क्यों मारा? Sia, आपने क्यों मारा? We tried to speak to Sia, but over here the official did not allow her to speak. But right now it is very much important that she will be questioned by the police officials over here. This is Chetan. Chetan, आपने क्यों मारा? क्यों मारा Chetan? So over here, Chetan Chaudhary was also brought by the Lonavala police station, and over here now there will be the questioning which will start, and many other things will came into light.